Hey there, frustrated with a black screen showing on your Streamlink? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll walk you through some practical steps on how to fix a black screen showing on Streamlink, ensuring you can get back to streaming without a hitch. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's check your internet connection. A stable and strong internet connection is crucial for streaming. Make sure your device is connected to the network and that the connection speed meets the minimum requirements for streaming. You can run a speed test on your device to verify your upload and download speeds. If necessary, restart your router or modem to refresh the connection. Step 2. Update software and drivers. Outdated software or drivers can often be the culprits behind a black screen issue. Ensure that your Streamlink software is updated to the latest version. Additionally, update your graphics driver. For Windows users, go to Device Manager, locate your graphics card, and choose to update the driver software. Keeping your software and drivers up to date ensures compatibility and optimizes performance. Step 3. Adjust display settings. Next, check your display settings. Sometimes incorrect display configurations can cause a black screen to appear. Navigate to the display settings on your device and adjust the resolution and refresh rate to match the requirements of the Streamlink. Ensure that your monitor or TV is set to the correct input source as well. Step 4. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can sometimes interfere with streaming services, leading to black screen issues. To disable hardware acceleration, open the settings of your web browser or streaming application. Navigate to the advanced settings and toggle off the hardware acceleration option. This can help prevent conflicts that cause display issues. Step 5. Tweak firewall and security settings. Your firewall or security software might be blocking certain aspects of your stream, resulting in a black screen. To address this, temporarily disable your firewall or add exceptions for Streamlink within your security software. Remember to enable your firewall again once you've resolved the streaming issue to keep your system protected. Step 6. Consult hardware and cables. Lastly, inspect your hardware connections and cables. Ensure that all HDMI or other connection cables are properly plugged in and are functioning correctly. Try using different cables or ports to rule out any hardware malfunctions. Additionally, verify that your streaming device is powered on and connected to the display. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix a black screen showing on Streamlink. By checking your internet connection, updating software and drivers, adjusting display settings, disabling hardware acceleration, tweaking firewall settings, and ensuring proper hardware connections, you can tackle this issue effectively. Remember, technology can sometimes be finicky, but with patience and these steps, you'll be back to streaming in no time. Happy viewing!